Dear students, let's get started. 35 is the question. They have given x1, x2, x3, x4. Random variable for f of x theta. What is the value of ex of theta? So f of x theta is 1 by 3, 1 by 2 theta e to the power minus. X greater than 0, so e of x is 1/3. These are the 3 values. So option number B is correct in the first case. Second, the method of moments of theta. X bar is 17 by 3, 10 by 3, 440 by 3 plus 4 by 4, 10 by 3 plus 1, 13 by 3. So expect E of x is x bar. So theta squared plus 2 theta plus 1 in this case is 13. Theta plus 1 whole square. So theta equal to root 13 minus 1.